All right, man, you want to keep the straps neat and together. No, speed it up right here, but we might have to slow it up for the people in the back. Might have to, but here we go right here. Slow it down a little bit. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure my straps is neat. I'm gonna put them away. This way when I go back to them, you know, they ain't really got too many cuts, abrasions in them and stuff like that. I don't know the name of the device I'm using. If you do, drop a comment, let everybody know. Just how they teach you at Melton. Speed it up a little bit because I had to hurry up and get to the next load. That's what this is about, being smooth, not being fast and rushing, but you know, doing your job correctly, but making sure that you're available once you get empty, because I'm being unloaded right here. You get to that next load and go.